Assalamu alaikum. Hi to everyone. Welcome to Sarah's kitchen. Today we are making a new recipe. Before starting a recipe, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Subscription is free. And share my video with your friends and family. So today we're making beef Shinwari Karahi. It's a slightly different one because we're not using any onions in it, so it tastes really different. So you're gonna take beef, that's 500 grams of beef, and then I'm using 4 tomatoes, and those are the big tomatoes. So I sliced my ginger like this just to garnish it after, and then I'm gonna use green chili pepper, 4 of them, and then I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste in it, and then turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon, salt to taste, but I took ½ teaspoon today, and then black pepper, ½ teaspoon. It's also as per you need. So let's see how we're gonna make it today. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I have my pot on a high flame on the stove. So I'm gonna put half glass of water, and then ginger garlic paste, that's 2 tablespoons, in my beef. So I'm gonna put it first. So I have it on high flame right now. So we're gonna cook it for 5 minutes right here, and then we'll add our oil and other spices later after 5 minutes. So we're just gonna wait for meat to change the color a little bit. See, it's already started changing color. If you can see it right here, see? So now I'm gonna add my tomatoes, and then ½ cup of oil. I didn't show you while showing ingredients, but this is our basic, recipe thing. So then I'm gonna add my salt and my turmeric powder, not my black pepper right now. I'm gonna put 2 glasses of water in it. I'm gonna put a lid on. That's East Indian style of pressure cooker. So I'm gonna leave it for 30 minutes in a pressure cooker. So what you could do is you can leave it for 2 to 3 whistles. So I'm gonna move this to a wider pan. So let's do that. So until now, we haven't added any spice. We haven't added any chili to it. So we're gonna use black pepper. So the meat is tender now. We're just gonna cook it for 5 minutes, just to give it a little bit, to cook it well done. So we're gonna add green chili pepper to it. So the oil is being oozing out. It means it's ready. So I'm gonna add green chili pepper and the ginger slices to it. It's ready now, so I'm gonna garnish it a little bit. So Shinwari beef curry is ready. Try it, let me know how did you like it. And I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends and family. Subscription is totally free. I'll see you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye.